You've made 16 videos on one single resume template. Why does the Harvard format matter this much to you?
It's because everyone calls it the ATS-friendly format, but Harvard actually wrote it way before applicant tracking systems even existed.
Wait a minute. So you're saying it wasn't actually designed for software at all?
Not even a little. Their guide says it's for people who scan quickly. One column, standard headings, no graphics. It's for the recruiter on their 40th resume of the day.
And that simplicity just happens to work perfectly for the software parser too.
Exactly. I've configured these systems at 3 companies. I picked the vendor and set the filters. A human built the database, but it was never the intended audience.
That makes a lot of sense. So what's the one thing someone can fix on their resume tonight?
Search your resume for the phrase responsible for and delete every single one of them.
That's it? Just that one phrase?
It tells me you were assigned something, but it doesn't tell me it worked. Instead of saying you're responsible for customers, say you closed a huge contract in your first month.
I noticed you disagreed with Harvard on a couple of specific points in your videos, though.
Yeah, their template tells students to list high school and SAT scores. I've spent 25 years recruiting for Meta and Deloitte, and I've never used a test score to hire.
So that stuff is basically just dead weight once you're in the professional world.
It's written for a sophomore recruiting on campus. It expires the day you graduate. Move that space to something that actually shows your value.
What about the interest section? Most people seem to underestimate that last line.
It's the only line that gives an interviewer somewhere to start, but don't just put reading. Be specific, like Cold War history. It's the same life, just said more precisely.
If someone wants to know where they stand right now, what's the best next step?
Run it against a real job posting and get a match score. It's free and it'll tell you when you're not a fit, which is the part everyone needs to hear.